Hey guys, we're out here in Carrollton, Virginia. Population 6,000. Oh, this is the middle of nowhere. Isn't that right? Middle of nowhere. Yeah, we're cleaning up this pile of junk here. And yeah, we're going to get that started. Hey guys, we just lifted this thing up into the trailer. This thing is heavy. I'm trying to tear on the trailer gate, but we took care of it and about to sweep up all this stuff here, and then we'll be good. Okay, we just finished up here in Carrollton, Virginia. This is a regular property cleanup slash junk removal. So it's all clean right now. And here's the trailer load. We charged $400 for this. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button. Isn't that right? Hit that like button. Yep. And stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.